What they have given, it's
Your response has been recorded.
Yeah, your response has been recorded.
D'accord. I will let you know next week on your score.
Done, ma'am. Submitted.
Ma'am, you are going to make us wait till next week, ma'am, for the result.
Before they used to
Ma'am, already we are having this tension now again for the result tension.
No, now we'll discuss our answers. You'll know anyway.
Okay.
Wait.
Ma'am, what about class test marks?
Class test marks?
I didn't check my class test marks, ma'am.
It is there in your media file, in group.
Okay, ma'am.
Media file means I have taken screenshot and sent.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone in the girls group can once forward there.
We, madam.
Yes, ma'am, we have it, ma'am.
We once forward it back once again. One more. Who is there for the CT who didn't attend? I told this week you will be having this Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone from evening batch who is there who didn't attend CT exam at all?
Ushna, ma'am.
Who?
Ushna.
Okay, d'accord. Only evening batch only Ushna. Boys all? Anyone from boys? Those who didn't attend from all the batches at one time, we are going to conduct there on Sunday week. Anyone is there? Okay, only Ushna from this batch, right? Oui, d'accord. So Ushna, you can stay back after the class once, will?
Ma'am.
Okay,
You can stay back after the class once, Ushna. D'accord. So all submitted, Ushna and Alasya and other.
yes, ma'am.
Oui, madam.
We finished Google form submission yours also, all of you?
Yes,
We,
You got
madam.
the response there?
We, madam. We, madam.
Oui, d'accord.
How many marks do we have to get, ma'am? Mandatory?
It's not like that. Before 10 minutes, it's almost very less marks. That's it. In between 10 to 15, it will be fine. Because I told already, it's not every individual. All together, you have to get all internal marks 50%.
Yeah, but
Yes. D'accord.
Submitted, ma'am.
Oui, d'accord.
Submitted, ma'am.
Oui. Très bien then. Then everyone wants to come back here for this. Last one, what it is the answer without listening? Pari A?
Will.
up A.
Will.
Will.
Will, ma'am. Will.
D'accord.
Will, ma'am. It's a city.
Will. Hey, Pari is city, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Francis country.
Option B.
Option B, we, you, will. Why it is pay?
Will, ma'am.
We, you, will. Très bien. Pari A, Pari est une ville. It is a city, will. D'accord. So first one, what it is? Who is the conversation there? Man or woman?
Uniform.
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 B, ma'am.
We keep
Uniform.
who is speaking? It is uniform, right? So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
both, we can directly go ahead without doing anything, without listening, or by the first time itself. First question. Now coming to the remaining part. So once we listen now, you already finished all of your exam. Now you are all relaxed, so you will be listening now very cool. I think now audio will be very fine because exam completed.
Nothing
So
like
you
this,
know
ma'am.
the
Audio
answer.
is
It will be fine now.
Your part is there then, so your marks
That's
are
not
there.
fair.
You have to answer. Of course, I know anyway. It's not that I know or something. Wantedly, they have selected to make you to that much easily. If they give, what's the problem there? That is what they wantedly selected that one audio. It is before what we have the textbooks like La Nouveau Frontier. That is the textbook before. So from that they have choose that audios. They are also with your junior one only. When we studied, they are the textbooks, and now the festival textbook actually. Festival is the new one from last 2.5 years. Before it is not their festival. They have improved and they have edited, updated everything there, and still more very with more information and all separate for listening and all. They have divided in that way. They have given all the vocabulary part, which you have after every lesson in Equite page. See on the left side, I'll be telling all the time what verbs are used, what locatio verbal are used, what invariable words, or what are the prepositions, or what are the adjectives, nouns, pronouns. So that list we don't have when we studied. That much nicely they have done the book updated. That is the only difference, but it is equal to your junior one only. Of course we all used to do those audios all, but still some audios will be there. It is like background disturbance. It is like this now, something small sound, but sometimes background some people will be going on talking in something marketing or maybe supermarket or somewhere in the out public place, and some conversation will be going on. They will be asking us to answer that one. Nothing will be clarity in that. First of all, we have to concentrate. That's it. We can't do anything anyway. They will be going on speaking something in background. Some people will be speaking, and these people aside, maybe on the roadside or somewhere, they will be stopping, and they will be communicating one to one there. We have to try to understand by adjusting and managing, by removing that background sound, and what these people are speaking for their one to one communicating, what questions and what answers they are speaking. That is little more hard. You'll be having in your A2 level. That A2 level means like Delphi 2 in that audio speak. So that is more difficult still. This is only small disturbance. That's it. Is sound. But even this sound now, because before what I told you how to answer right from your end, there is something some tense there with exam. That's what you feel totally, that something you are not able to understand at all. But see now I am playing. You all are relaxed now actually. More than before, you will be trying to understand little bit now. That is for sure. See once So I'm playing. Already you know the questions and all. You have idea. Just listen, and after listening for this one time, then we'll try to answer the questions there.
J'aime beaucoup voyager. Vous savez, je n'aime pas beaucoup rester à Paris. J'adore la montagne, les promenades en montagne, le ski. Ah, vous êtes sportive? Oui et non. Je fais du ski et de la natation. Et à Paris, vous sortez beaucoup? Oui. Je vais au restaurant, au cinéma. Vous aimez le cinéma? Beaucoup. Et le théâtre? Un peu. Je ne déteste pas, mais je préfère la musique. La musique classique? Oh non, je n'aime pas du tout la musique classique. J'écoute du jazz, des chansons, et j'adore danser.
Okay, all of you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so much of disturbance? Not at all able to understand, or you can go ahead?
You are right, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we
100%
can
right.
understand
We
it
can,
a little.
yeah, it's all right, but
Ah.
you're already wrong.
That curvy.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Yeah. The curvy. So now see, here first question. As of the first question, I think it is uniform, right? Okay. She's telling LM does stay at Paris, or what she's telling? She likes to stay in Paris?
Yes, ma'am.
I like to stay in Paris, yes.
True.
Actually, there are two things, ma'am. One lady says yes, and one lady says she likes to travel, and another lady says that she likes to stay in Paris. Actually,
But LM does stay at Paris. She will be asking question.
Yeah.
The person who is telling us, that is what our conversation, our answers here. Right?
we, madam.
So what she is telling when she is asking, that is important.
Rain.
That
She
is-
likes to travel. She likes to travel.
You have to listen. I told already, morning batch they have done the same mistake. I don't know what you have done here now in the exam. All of you wrote in exam second one, Gray.
Yes, ma'am.
Rain, ma'am.
No, ma'am. She likes to travel.
It's 4, ma'am. 4. She,
Who wrote 4?
I, ma'am, Jyoti.
Jyoti, Dakka, or other people, boys?
Me
Dilip,
also,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Dilip.
Chaitra also, ma'am.
Okay, boys, what you're telling?
Philip Fox, ma'am.
Four only. D'accord, we.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen once. What it is? Starting only it is there. Conversation.
J'aime beaucoup voyager. Vous savez, je n'aime pas beaucoup rester à Paris.
What it is?
Doesn't like to stay. He
Je
doesn't like to stay in Paris.
n'aime pas beaucoup rester à Paris. Very clear it is there, na? N'aime pas.
N'aime pas. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
We once again you can hear it is she's telling what she's telling. It's very clearly negation. Why you?
Voyager. Vous savez, je n'aime pas beaucoup rester à Paris.
What she's telling?
No.
Je n'aime pas.
Je n'aime pas beaucoup rester
Oui, je n'aime pas beaucoup rester à Paris, right? Je n'aime pas means it is negation, right? N'aime pas, n'a pas. So, elle aime rester à Paris? No, faux. Oui. D'accord?
Oui, madame.
Faut say faux, not vrai. The same I told already. I gave hint also. Morning they have done wrong answer for second. They are speaking in negation or positive. You have to try to understand the conversation and answer I told. Very clearly for what bit also I gave the hint away directly. We. So L other what? Kampan or Montan?
Montang.
Montan. Trivia. Say very clear. Elle ne fait pas the ski.
C.
See, ma'am. See.
She can.
We, C, trivia. It is, see, the question is in negation means surely we have to think over about C. But, okay, still they have given no also, NON. So, if they have given no means, then surely we have to think over the statement is right or not in the statement, first of all. So, Elle na fait pas the ski means, they are telling that she don't do
doesn't
the sky,
like,
but she tells that she is doing skiing, right?
Yeah.
Jeff she'll be telling the statement there. Yeah. So she tells there that she is doing skiing, but here is the question is in negation, but you want to tell the answer still in positive. So you will be telling with C.
C.
Yes. D'accord. So it is C. Then fifth one.
No,
Elle est
ma'am, I
sportive?
couldn't get this.
We.
Elle est sportive.
We, ma'am. We.
No.
We or we no?
Yes and no, ma'am. We and no.
Yes and no also.
Yes and no. Okay, you can listen that one conversation then.
J'adore la montagne. Les promenades en montagne. Le ski. Ah, vous êtes sportive. Oui et non.
What it is?
Yes and no.
We and no.
Who's it sportive? She's asking who's it sportive? What is sportive? We, no. We, she's telling doubtful yes and no. We.
Yes.
So it's third option.
I
We.
couldn't get this.
We, no. Very clear. I told that's what before itself, that for this also I give hint. Here one more new option with we and no. You have to understand and clearly listen there. If something is not there, different answer, first of all,
Actually, I didn't know the answer, ma'am, so I have given yes and
I'll not indicate from my end, first of all. We, particularly, I'm telling some question there means something, it should be there. You have to understand the hint there. We. Yeah. So it is third one. We, no. Pari, Elva. She's going to restaurant. Restaurant. D'accord. Third option, restaurant. Then seventh one. LM plus cinema. Buku, trivia. Ampa means little, buku means a lot. She tells buku. Wait. And El Detasla Tayatro, no.
No.
Yes.
no.
No, ma'am.
No.
She tells that
No.
she
She doesn't hate theatre.
She doesn't.
She doesn't hate theaters.
She goes less to theater. She goes,
wait.
yeah.
Anta.
She
She
goes
goes
less.
Anta, but
She'll go rarely, but she doesn't hate.
She go rarely, but she does that. It's not that something she don't prefer a lot, but she don't hate like that. We. So Elna datas Jana datastpa latayat. Me Jana datastpa latayat. She tells very clearly there. We. Yeah.
Madam.
So it is no, because she don't hate. She don't prefer, but it's not that she hates there. So she don't hate. So El datast means she hate here. So it is no. It's a wrong statement. LM la music classic.
We.
No.
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 No, ma'am.
no.
No.
She likes jazz. Not
We, it is no.
Takes the jazz.
Yeah.
Je fais du ski et de la natation. Et à Paris, vous sortez beaucoup? Oui. Je vais au restaurant, au cinéma. Vous aimez le cinéma? Beaucoup. Et le théâtre? Un peu. Je ne déteste pas, mais je préfère la musique. La musique classique? Oh non, je n'aime pas du tout la
wait.
It was a negation, but I thought it is positive.
Je n'aime pas la musique classique. Wait.
Yeah.
So je n'aime pas means here what? L. The J it is nothing but here L here.
I do not
okay.
like
So it is
music
no.
classic.
Yeah. Je n'aime pas la musique classique. Wait. She likes the music, but she don't like particularly the je n'aime pas la musique classique. No. N-O-N. L other what? Danse or chante?
Shante.
Dance, ma'am.
Danse. Okay, boys.
Dance, ma'am.
Danse. Why chante?
I heard it as dance, ma'am.
jazz, des chansons.
She likes to listen to songs.
Songs.
Vous aimez le cinéma? Beaucoup. Et le théâtre? Un peu. Je ne déteste pas, mais je préfère la musique. La musique classique? Oh non, je n'aime pas du tout la musique classique. J'écoute du jazz, des chansons, et j'adore danser.
What it is last statement, Jador?
She likes to listen to songs.
She likes to listen to songs.
Wait, last one, what it is?
Yeah,
I'm
she
asking.
likes to listen to songs.
Wait.
Danse.
Shanzo, okay, I'm asking
She
last
she likes to
statement.
dance.
Wait. Another danse, right?
Yeah.
Wait, danse it is.
Ma'am.
Wait, elle écoute des chansons?
We.
Oui, ma'am.
Oui, très bien. Oui, already it's very clearly done there. It's not on a sepa. It's related to the statement. Elle écoute du jazz?
We.
Oui, madame.
Oui,
Oui, ma'am.
d'accord. Oui. Est-ce qu'elle va au cinéma?
We, madame.
Oui.
Oui, d'accord. Very clearly she'll tell. Oui. Quel est le verbe, le nom, Natasio? Nager ou neige?
Naje.
Nager,
Nager.
there, first one. We near exceptions, it is there already. I told we. Nager means to swim. We Natasio means to swim.
To
So
swim.
nager is the verb to swim, and neige is to snow. It is not related to here. And neither is to be born. It is
Born,
not related
born.
to Natasio. We. So first one nager. Paris etune will.
Will.
We. I hope all done answer second one wrong. And maybe.
Mine are 4 wrong, ma'am.
D'accord, maybe Danse also went wrong for someone. And
Yes,
VA
ma'am.
no also.
Mine also 4 wrong.
Why
Mine are
so
5,
4
ma'am.
wrong? What happened? Which one's 4 wrong? Why so? VA no, I think some of you made done mistake.
Second one is wrong, and this one LS Potiv also I couldn't get. That one is wrong.
D'accord. That is
When
only
I
three
have
wrong.
got 2 wrong, ma'am.
And Elaine la music classic also.
Oui. D'accord. No, it's very clear now about music classic. Why so? Je n'aime pas la music classic. Very clearly she told there. Oui.
2 times.
That C and we
I couldn't get completely, ma'am. Janempa. It is too fast to catch.
Cuba?
D'accord. But I think 5 times we played. Nah, this is see here very clearly she told.
Oh non, je n'aime pas du tout la musique classique.
Exactly, it is there. Je n'aime pas du tout la musique classique. I don't like at all music classic. Very stamply she told. Not
And
at all.
last one in confusion, I forgot that France is a country, Paris is a city. I wrote Paris is a country.
That way. That is
Same
without
here, ma'am,
listening
same
only
with me.
out right now. I told very directly hint also. Without listening only you can write Paris is what? Because you know pay means what and wheel means what?
Yeah, this city, Paris
Ma'am,
country.
madam.
D'accord. We Paris is city, right? France is
Yeah.
country. We yeah. It is a city there in France. We D'accord.
I got 2 wrong, ma'am. One is that she can do ski, that one C, and I got confused between those 2.
D'accord. We D'accord. Okay, fine then. I hope you have seen how one small audio, even if it is simple, how hard it is. I think you all came to know how practice it should be there with audios.
Yeah, I practiced a lot, ma'am, but still more practice is needed because it is a new language.
Yes. D'accord. Anyway, so we have to take care of the second one then. So well done. all of you. I hope all of you submitted well and done well. Yeah, we can see in the next part of the audio.
Ma'am, do you have test again for the audio, ma'am?
No. If anyone not attended today, then we'll be having it. No, one
No,
more.
initially, ma'am, you said-
Test. 15.
Yeah, that's what.
One more is one more 15 marks. That is last
Second time, yeah.
last 2 days before your last class. 36th class is your last class, right? So it will be there in 33 or 34th class. So anyway, before 2-3 days, we'll be indicating you. So at the last moment, last week, you'll be having, not now.
That will be more tough, I suppose.
All MCQs cannot be done, so few bits also can be given. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
because
now
we
we
are
can
answering
study-
nicely, that's why you're giving us hard videos, ma'am.
MCQ is only confusing, ma'am, because we'll be in a confusion.
That's what now already I told for CT also that only we. If it is
MCQ
direct
only
bit,
be
then
confusion.
only concept will be clear, very clearly it will be there. Our answer we will be getting. If they give MCQ, that is one more doubt again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, excuse
That's
me, ma'am.
fine. Yes.
Can you kindly please repeat the participes concept again? Because we are going to continue, I think, today.
Yes.
Just for the refreshing.
Ma'am, we haven't done the pronunciation of phenomenal verbs.
Pronominal verbs, I remember. But irregular verbs all completed, right? You were
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
After imperative, we'll go to the partitive. Imperative, I ask you to work out a few of the exercises. I think today how to do it.
Madam.
Answer discussion should be done. All of you can open your imperative. As of oral discussion, we will do the simple basic exercise which we discussed. Answers will be forwarded afterwards. So only oral discussion. And afterwards, the main exercise, what is it? That one, along with answers, with the Word document, I'll show you, and then forward again those answers separately in WhatsApp. So when I am doing here, you can just observe both of them here. Only the you can watch from your end only the screen sharing, and you can confirm. You can verify your answers, what they are. Afterwards, when I forward, you can verify and you can note down completely there. This exercise, I will be discussing with the answers in Word document. And this one, it's only for your practice, extra verbs only for the simple tu, nu, go form, right? So nothing here exercise wise they are. Okay, the verbs are given, you have tried, that's it. So only oral discussion for the 2 minutes or 3 minutes we will do. So all of you done this exercise, this page, long back is one.
Yes, ma'am.
The boys.
Madam.
This exercise, I have given already some little guidance there and ask you to work out all 15. Ask you to write roughly answers. Let me know this exercise done from boys side and girls side.
Did ma'am, but 2-3 doubts are there.
Okay, that's all. Others? Girls?
Madam.
Who are there for today for civilization?
Shasharupa, ma'am.
Shirupa. Which lesson?
9th lesson, ma'am.
9th lesson. Yeah, only one, then we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 10th lesson, let me know because today's time is there. Did I open here? Okay, 1 second. Today's time is there. Let me know 10th lesson who will do. It is Les Repas of France, the meals in France. A very good lesson, that one. It's a long lesson. 2 persons can take part there.
Ma'am, I'll do.
Who it is?
Lohit, ma'am.
Lohit and okay. Yeah, from girls, who came now?
I can, ma'am.
Okay. Your name will.
Sirisha.
Sirisha, okay. This is what your lesson 10 civilization part C. Les Repas of. So it's a long lesson, bit, so both can do. You can have the share on that day, but preparation you should understand. It's a linking one. So what items and everything, what timings they follow, and home, how they follow with the family, what the importance they give for the at home and outside, and when they go outside, how do they behave, and what preference they'll be giving when they go outside for the restaurant, and how they follow there in the restaurant for the tips and all. So all this information and how much percentage of tips is going on there. So very general information about the meals in France, and items names what are there, that is what here we can see. So all that if you read you will understand surely, and the timings, at what timings they follow there, and do they follow exact timing or front and back, maybe near to the time, and whatever there we completely, this one will be there in the complete information. And last, at the common question in your country, so what it is about the pourboire. So some little vocabulary you'll be learning related to the meals, with the items of the lunch items and dinner items, and what is there in restaurant, what the tip, what they call in French. So little bit very good smart vocabulary you will be learning here. So you can go through all this. And that last question also, it is a common question anyway. It's an open question for all. It's an open debate for all. So dans votre pays, in your country, à qui, to whom, est-ce qu'on donne un pourboire? Okay, à qui means what? To whom? To whom can one give a tip? Pourboire means tip. To whom we give the tip there in the restaurants when we go out?
Waiter.
Waiter.
The waiter or server, whoever it is there, right? So on don combia, one give how much?
10%.
Around
10 to 15%.
We the but it depends there individually, right?
Yeah.
Because it is related to the, it completely depends on the person there. The person is very rich, then it is okay. The percentage can be more. If the average person, then it comes down. So it depends on the person anyway. But minimum, I think it will be there like 10%. Yeah, that's all. So they here, because now it became like mandatory like that. Because nothing they'll get with the 10 rupees or 20 rupees there. But still there are people who will be keeping just only 10 rupees there. That is a different thing anyway. So maybe it depends anyway on the restaurant, on the person individually who will be there at that moment. So it completely depends there. Even I think sometimes if the waiter is very calm and cool, then it is okay. And sometimes if he irritates us, then nothing, 1 rupee also we don't give out there, and we'll completely come out away. The persons are there who are there also like that. If we ask something, and if his mood is not good and something he tell answer in a rude way, nothing will give there, 1 rupee also there. If the service is not good, even just some little fight will go on, but still, if we keep calm also, just we come out silently. We don't give out there anyway. That will be. And some people I've observed how they do. We can tell that one as smart or what it is, we don't know. Exactly change along with the 2 rupee, 3 rupee also they'll keep like that and give. Because when they come back again with that book that bill book, the person should not have any change in that. If they have something, they should feel that uneasy, they should leave there. Some money they will leave, because that person, that waiter, he will be standing there only. We can't do anything. In front of him, if something, all the money, whatever it's remaining, we can't take away and keep in our pocket there. Something we have to leave there. What this was, I observed really in restaurant like that. Why they're keeping that much exactly? When he written back book, nothing is there. Except that soap, whatever that what is there, he'll be giving that one. And these fellows only exactly with the 2 rupee, 4 rupee change also they'll keep like only the bill will be coming back in that book. That's it. It depends there anyway in our country. So individually. So but there I think it's a mandatory. Surely they'll give the tip in France. That is what very good information related to this lesson. And one is the pronoun I told already. One is the subject pronoun. I already mentioned you, right? Along with il and el.
Yeah.
The conjugation of il and el, what you are writing for every verb, the same conjugation, spelling, ending, if irregular verb, the same conjugation, whatever you are doing for il and el singular, the same will be for one also. But the meaning follows always with the plural. One is equal to nu we tell. Means what? Nu means what? Plural, right? For what we tell nu? For we, right? For the group of persons more than one.
We.
So when it is equal to nu meaning, one is equal to nu means it is equal to the meaning of nu, but the conjugation is singular conjugation as of il and el. So this one you have to remember. So many people are there still in the senior level, of course, you will come across so many situations in junior 2 itself. Now you may be in civilization part or somehow like this you will be getting, not as of the grammatical part, but there one pronoun is some as of like one small grammar part also. So you'll come across anyway in the next level, but still it is very less only. In senior levels, you will be go on seeing the one pronoun. But when once you are entering into senior level, so many people are not knowing what is on. Why so we don't know. Maybe because of not noting down, or because of just coming, when it is coming only they are listening and leaving. I told you to make a note also. One is the subject pronoun, the meaning which is equal to no subject, but the conjugation is of as ill and else singular. Very clearly it is. We have to note down. So it is very important, because sometimes we don't want to tell the answer with a group. So here like one don combia. So here, like I told, one is equal to no, the plural meaning, but as well as singular meaning also. Most probably 90% it goes with no meaning only. We like with a shall or we, like a group meaning. But it is equal to singular also. Like for who subject, how we tell singular as well as plural. Or for plural only it goes maximum part, but only when situation demands it goes with singular also. In the same way, one means exactly the meaning comes like I, we, shall, they. As of the situation, we use the meaning. I, we, shall, they. Shall means like speaking in a group. So shall we go there? Onniva. Or shall we eat? Shall we play? So one here it is question like one don combia. So one give how much? Here one it is like one give means it is like in singular form here. So I or shall, we or they, and only one. Like in a singular when they speak, sometimes they speak like one do how much, one gives how much, one speak how much, one eat how much. So it comes like only one. It's not like number, but speaking in a singular meaning there. So it depends on situation. All these meanings. That is what on pronoun. Okay. So you can prepare this lesson, very good lesson. If I speak on something about that, you will understand how important that lesson is there and you will get interest with. And here, partitive article and reading. I think 8th lesson reading also you have to do, you people, right?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Okay. You listen the audio part of 8th lesson, Beashwe.
No,
No.
no, madam.
Listen the audio once and be ready for the characters, okay? Who are the characters? Let me know. Fastly you can come out, no time waste, please. Yeah, pardon, monsieur. Excuse me, sir. La Beashwe still play. Where is the Beashwe? And what is Beashwe? Once see here. What is Beashwe here written? La Bazaar the hotel the wheel means what? The bazaar of the city of the hotel. What it is? Which is a Grand Magasa Parisia, a biggest shopping mall in Paris. That is what for that shopping mall he is asking the address there. One of the So here he is asking one person there the address of that shopping mall. So he is asking the route map of that. So they both are speaking and communicating. The person who is asking the directions, and the person who is telling, the stranger, is telling the directions how to go and where to go and how to turn, what directions there and all, is just guiding him. So this information little bit regarding the directions and all the vocabulary part. Very good vocabulary and very good conversation here. So who will be in the first conversation? Aliso and Monsieur.
Me, I will play the Monsieur, ma'am.
I will play
Aliso. Très bien. Second conversation. Yeah, from boys. Who will be the Monsieur and Aliso?
Ma'am, I will be Aliso.
Aliso, d'accord. Who will be Monsieur?
I'll be Monsieur, ma'am.
D'accord, Monsieur. D'accord. Très bien. Okay, now I am playing the audio once. From d'accord, I think audio not required. From 9th lesson I will play. This one you can read out. You can read out. Start.
Yeah. Pardon, here. Ole le Bahavia, Silve Plu.
It's no, Beashwe.
Beashwe.
S'il vous plaît. D'accord.
Oh là là, vous êtes pas Dieu ici. Vous êtes sur la rive gauche et la Beashwe se trouve sur la rive.
Allô,
Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
Vous n'avez pas un plan?
Si, voilà.
D'accord, très bien. Okay, the conversation, the translation we'll see. Pardon, monsieur.
Pardon, Mr. Miss.
Excuse me, like
pardon,
means
pardon,
here.
master.
Here it is like excuse me, sir.
Excuse
Où
me.
est le BHV, s'il vous plaît?
Where is the
Please tell me where is
where is the
PHV?
BHV?
Très bien. Where is the BHV, please? Monsieur, oh la la, vous êtes perdu ici? Okay, vous êtes perdu. Perdu means lost.
Lost.
Oh la la, are you
Did
lost?
you get lost?
Wait,
I am
did you
lost.
Yeah.
D'accord. Did you lost means it is like did you lost the route there? Right?
Yeah.
You forget the route. You see, vous êtes sur la rue gauche et le BHV se trouve sur la rue droite. Gauche means left, droite means right.
Is right.
You
So you are on the
right, left side.
Right.
Left side.
left side of the
Left
river.
side.
Rue
And
means
BHV is on the right
You'll
side.
find you'll find the BHV on the right side.
D'accord, très bien. You'll find the BHV on the right side of the river. Here, satru is a verb. It's a pronominal verb, satru. It is like situated. So when you want to tell any of the thing, any of the place, something is situated, then you will be using satru. So you will be like it is situated. La BHV is situated on the river right. Then aliso, alor. It's a conjunction word. I told already. Alor, runs with, and PU also will be there. PUIS. So all these are connecting words. Alors, qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
इधर से जाऊं. Oh, how do I go?
What I should do?
What should I do?
What should I do? So then, वो n'avait pas un plan?
You don't have a
You
plan.
have
Don't
a
you have the
plan?
plan?
You have a
Don't
plan.
you have a map? Don't
Route
you have
map.
a route here? Like route map. Plan means
Yes.
here it is like a route map.
Route. Okay.
See, voila.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I
I
have.
have.
Yes, there is. Me?
See.
Yes,
Here
there
it is. Or
Yeah, voila means there is. And C
There
is
is.
the answer. Why so? Before. The question is in what?
because it's in the negation.
Negation. And this person, he is asking in negation, wo n'avait pas un plan, don't you have a plan? This person wants to tell, yes,
The positive.
answer with yes.
Yes.
That's what it is, C. Then, yeah, très bien. Now, monsieur, who is monsieur now? Bien regardez, yes, start. Who is monsieur?
Sirisha, I started, ma'am. Bien, regardez. Nous sommes
d'accord.
boulevard Saint-Germain, à l'angle du boulevard Saint-Michel. Vous prenez le boulevard Saint-Michel jusqu'à la Sienne. Vous arrivez sur le pont Saint-Michel. Vous traversez, vous continuez par le boulevard du Palais, toujours tout droit. Ensuite, prenez le ponton, changez et tournez à droite. Quai de Gesèvres.
Okay, the Jesur. Wait.
Quai
Très
de
bien. Wait. What is the meaning here? Bien. Well, let's watch. Here you can see the imperative. Mute, please. No disturbance is coming. We can mute yourself, please. Yeah, well, let's watch. Here you can see imperative conjugations, right? No subject is there without subject. Those all are imperative conjugations only. It's like talking like a group there. So let's watch. Nous sommes Boulevard Saint-Germain along the Boulevard Saint-Michel. What it is? We are at the place where they are.
The
we are
Saint-Germain.
Saint German.
Très bien. At the angle of Boulevard Saint-Michel. Vous prenez le Boulevard Saint-Michel jusqu'à la Seine. Seine is the river name. You take the you take the boulevard.
You take the route for
Boulevard Saint
the
Michael.
Michel until the river Seine.
Until the river Seine.
Until the river Seine.
Jusqu'à means until or till. So until. Vous arrivez sur le pont Saint-Michel. Pont means pond.
You will arrive
You will
at
arrive at the Saint Michel
On
pond.
the pond of Saint-Michel.
Saint-Michel. Yeah.
You arrive, not you will. You will means again it goes to future. So you arrive. You are arriving or. Vous traversez. Traverser means to pass through. You are crossing through.
Yeah. You are
Vous
crossing.
continuez par le boulevard du Palais, toujours tout droit. Tout droit means last one, it is straight. And toujours means always. So what it is? You continue through the bar means
Straight road.
through the boulevard of Palace Always straight.
Always straight. Okay.
Always straight. We. Toujours means always. Now Answit. Next. Answit means next. Prane lapo o shans ye turne la druat.
Next,
is it?
next you will reach.
Take the pawn to change. We.
Turning
And turn to the
right.
and turn to the right. K the Jasur means what? Jasur is the name there. And K means it is a platform.
And the Jessel plate.
And turn to the right, the platform of Jasur.
Jessel.
Wait. C'est Lua. Okay, who is Aliso?
C'est Lua.
C'est Lua, questioning it is. You have to question once again. Question?
C'est Lua.
D'accord, that is fine. Wait. Is it far? Yeah, may no. Who is it?
No,
Monsieur.
ce n'est pas Lua.
What it is? May no, ce n'est pas Lua.
No, it's not that far.
No, it's not that much far. Très bien. Aliso.
Il y a un bus direct.
Bus.
Non, je ne pense pas. Non, je ne pense pas. Allez, vous êtes jeune. Vous pouvez marcher, c'est bon pour la santé.
Très bien. Good pronunciation. Very good. Yes. Aliso.
Et après le quoi?
Après la K. Very good. Very good expression you have given after you. Wait. Wait. Because it's a vexed expression actually. That's exactly we can't get it. He is going on telling directions there, and this person got vexed there. And after the platform, still what? How much you tell still direction? In that way that, wait, like in Telugu, will be vexing, na? Yeah, Monsieur. Monsieur, we.
Marche through Droth, jusqu'à la palace. Dila,
Wait.
jusqu'à la palace.
Palace, no. Jusqu'à la place.
Jusqu'à la place. Dior, di belle.
Wait.
di behave.
Le baie achevée.
The baie achevée se trouve entre
Autre it is. The l'autre côté.
côté. Rue de Rivoli.
Rue de Rivoli.
Rue de Rivoli.
D'accord.
Au revoir, merci beaucoup.
Je vous ai pris.
Je vous en prie.
Je vous en prie.
Wait, no, je vous no. Je vous en prie. E because it's starting with vowel, na? You have to combine.
Yeah, je vous en prie.
No, je vous en prie.
Je vous en prie.
D'accord, exactly. Wait. Je vous en prie. That pronunciation only, it looks smartly there. Wait. If you divide it, doesn't look smart. Je vous en, vous and en, both should be combined. Vous on. It is vous on, so je vous en prie.
Je vous en prie.
D'accord, très bien. Wait. So it's a il y a bus direct. Is there a bus direct?
No.
No, Jana
No.
Paans is the verb. To think. It is in negation. Means what? No, Jana Panspa.
No, there is not.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, Panse is a verb to think. I don't think so.
Thinking.
Ale, let's go. Here it is like let's go. Vous êtes jeune? Vous êtes jeune? Vous pouvez marcher? C'est beau pour la santé.
Is it small or long?
No, he's telling you are young, right?
You're young, you can walk.
You are young. Yes,
can
you are
walk.
young, you can walk. It's good for Sante means health.
Health.
It's good for the health, right?
Yeah.
He is giving something, some philosophy and guidance there. But this person is already rested there. That's what that expression. What the who has read ma from boys side? Aliso?
Nandan ma'am.
Nandan, very good. That's what he is telling. It's good for your young. You can go walk. You can walk. After telling that many still he is telling you can walk your young. That's what he was vexed and got that expression. Because you didn't hear the audio part. I'll let you hear the audio part. You will understand once there it will be coming very nicely that expression.
Yeah.
Almost in the same way because I didn't made it to hear. But still, Nandan has done that. That's what I got shocked with. Très bien, oui. Marche tout droit jusqu'à la place de l'hôtel de ville. Let's walk straight.
From this place to the
Left to the
Until the place of the hotel of the city. Almost till Bayashway with walk only has taken anyway. Let's walk until there. Le Bayashway Satru, the l'autre côté. L'autre côté means on the other side. It's situated on the other side. Street of Rivoli. Or after going there, still he's telling it is situated on the other side of the street of the Rivoli. So this person then already he told over Messi Buku, Jevu Zampri. We Musa told okay, welcome with pleasure. Yeah. I'm sorry, okay. Page number, Kerala Pash.
Page
Parenthesis.
Keronsis, second conversation I'm playing once. Exactly at that, okay, you can, starting only it is there, you can listen once, that expression, whom, how it will be there. Yeah, it's a very good expression. We just listen.
Phonétique, rythme et intonation. Page 46. Leçon 8. Pardon, monsieur. Le BHV, s'il vous plaît. 2.
Bien. Regardez. Nous sommes boulevard Saint-Germain, jusqu'à la Seine. Vous, boulevard du Palais, toujours tout droit. Ensuite,
C'est loin?
mais non, ce n'est pas loin.
Il y a un bus direct?
Non, je ne pense pas. Allez, vous êtes jeune. Vous pouvez marcher. C'est bon pour la santé.
Et après le quai...
Marchez tout droit jusqu'à la place de l'Hôtel de Ville. Le BHV se trouve de
I
l'autre
think
côté,
you heard that
rue de
expression, how
Rivoli.
slowly it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Totally vested there. We completely, we do not at all interested for first of all to move forward there. In that way, very slowly it is like we. Yeah, very good. Well done, we. Yeah, down now. In 7th lesson exercise completed, right? 8th lesson, how far it is completed? 5 negation exercises are discussed in what document completed your batch?
Oui, madam.
D'accord. So imperative only we have to discuss, right?
we.
Yeah. This ones I don't think so to discuss. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Parle, two new form you have to write for parle year verb. You have to understand for which one we have to remove yes or not. You know the conditions for what we have to remove yes. Parle is there and parle is there. Only these two are there, which follows for Q to remove S. Other all venir, fair and trans, we don't remove S for Q form. And nu and who anyway, they remain same as of the conjugation. That's it. Nothing more than that here new. Only for the practice, one small exercise they have given here. Already you are working out from your WhatsApp ones, whatever exercises, hard ones only, right? This is the exercise which you are working out imperative. So these are more than enough anyway. That is very simple exercise when you compare with these ones actually. So here, come to your imperative concept, all of you. Yeah, Monday 9th lesson, reading, very important lesson. The reading part is very mandatory and very important for your Viva part. I told already 6, 9, 10, they'll be including in the Viva communicating part. So the the pronunciation of that vocabulary and all is very much important. You have to know. So those lessons anyway, I'll play the audio and then you can read out. And then we'll work out 9th lesson on partitive articles are there, simple exercise, you can work out them. So now in the whiteboard ones, I ask you to answer partitive articles with the whiteboard. What you did? Whiteboard answers, examples for partitive articles. We have discussed last class partitive articles and asked you to work out, right? Whiteboard answers, right?
Hey, madam.
If you have done that one, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
First examples, exercise I told to answer with genders. Next ones I told you to answer with D or D apostrophe. Done or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, B. If done, answers can be discussed and 2 more exercises I will leave to you for Monday class.
B, ma'am.
So these ones, I'll forward you the answers for these ones. Okay, you can verify. I think it's not required to discuss these ones, we, because they are regular. Only as of following the example, you have to write two new form. That's it. We. Our concept is as of once again like imperative. Third time I think we already 2-3 times we have done. We have to remove subject, and for two form we have to remove yes. For ER verbs, exceptions, and pronominal verbs and alle verb. And for all other remaining, we don't remove yes for two. And for nu and vu as it is, we go ahead the conjugation same and exclamatory mark is mandatory at last end of the statement. And for pronominal verbs, what we have done? Only for tu. Anyway, removing s for tu, it is important mandatory for pronominal verbs. But what we'll do, we reverse both we conjugation and the helping pronoun. What is the remaining?
Yeah.
And but for tu, te will be replaced with twa, toi. That you have to remember. And exclamatory mark. And this is what, as of example, if you see for saleve here. Anyway, they are pronominal verbs all. For all tu form, anyway, starting blank, you have to remove s there. Whatever the conjugation for tu. So you have to remove s and then reverse, and for twa, for te, and other will be just reverse and write levonu, levevu. That's it. So it goes in the similar way. Even if it is t apostrophe, suppose abhi is there, maybe I think tu tabi, right? Tu t apostrophe abhi will come. Even if it is t or t apostrophe, commonly for us it is te, right? If vowel is the t apostrophe, but main what it is for us te. So we have to consider that also like te only. So either te or t apostrophe, you have to replace with toi. This is morning doubt. The people, they are thinking that t apostrophe means we will no need to reverse there. Why so? It comes on a t only, right? We have to reverse toi, but they reversed one people and they didn't write again t. They have written again t apostrophe also. We are replacing only in the t or t apostrophe toi. Again, why to write t apostrophe there? We don't consider something. It's a new and separately t apostrophe means. So you have to replace te or t apostrophe with toi. That's it. That is the only some common confusion with the vowel part there when the verb starts with vowel. So this is what, and in negation, both of them in between na pa, whatever the remaining thing is there, just write the conjugation of that in between na pa. That's it. In that you have to follow which are ER verbs or which are not. The removing s for tu, which is not possible. Only that one you have to see here in the B bit here. Na viyapa, na dimandpa, na manjpa, nashatpa, because an apostrophe, ashat vowel, and now what it is? Na vapa, par verb, right? Yes. And na repondpa. I'm just telling only for tu form here. Na repondpa. So here na repondopa, na repondepa. In the same way, all will go. Just in between napa. As of coming to pronominal verbs, removing s is common for all because it is the condition we have to remove s for pronominal verbs. Yeah. So for all verbs we remove s. So nata leupa. But here no reversing and te will not be replaced. All things will not be there. Right? So here sarate is a verb to stop oneself. And one more is sarase, to shave. To shave oneself. Other things you know. Kushe you know, all these things you know. So samyuse means to enjoy oneself. Sakushe means to go to bed. And saleve to get up. That's it. The meanings all we have in the list of the pronominal verbs. So whatever the remaining after removing subject pronoun, write in between na and pa. That's it. Place in between na pa. That's it. We understood? So these answers anyway we already discussed and orally we have done. Written the answers I will forward, you can verify. I hope it is clear, This one, how many answered? Still anyone is there to answer? Let me know. Because of listening exam and all, maybe somehow having seminar. All answered this one or still anyone remain to do this one?
I have done it, ma'am.
Done? Dak or others? Anyone need time to do still?
And can we do on Monday?
Dakar, then all should be complete by Monday this exercise.
Yeah.
I have given very complete idea. Again, I am not going to discuss now. Because 2-3 times discussion went on this exercise.
Yeah.
I told to take care of irregular verbs, yatravar and savar. You have to write imperative conjugation when you see those verbs in present tense. That is the thing you have to take care. And if it is in negation, you have to take care. If it is with the Q subject only, take care of removing S. For what verbs it is there and for what verbs it is not there. For nu and vu, it's not even necessary to think over. And if it is in negation, what to do? Is it in pronominal? Okay, even in pronominal or normal, it is no problem for negation. But pronominal verb in positive, then you have to think over for the reversing and hyphen and all those things. And for tu, you have to reverse with the twa, t. All these things you have to take care and do. And at last, exclamatory mark at the end of the statement, all of them.
Yes.
Yeah. So do this one. Then Monday after the discussion completely, then I will forward the answers. So everyone should complete, no postpone again after Monday.
Oui, madam.
D'accord. Partitive articles, let me. Partitive articles, how many done? Let me know openly.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
I done now.
I have done.
Done all of you?
We madam.
D'accord. So partitive articles 1C. Les article partitive. It is due, dala, dial apostrophe, de. So what we told partitive articles?
To express some quantitative.
Quantity.
Quantity.
Yeah.
Quantity.
Yeah, expressing the quantity item, we tell partitive articles. We indicate them partitive articles, right? So the noun part should be with the quantity item, either eating, drinking, or whatever the money related to the quantity item. So these are the genders, masculine, feminine, and all with vowel and a plural. So these are like type 2 contract articles, right? So due, dala, dial apostrophe, de. And de is also used, but where the condition with the special words. After these, bukku, ampa, asse, throw, tant, plu, muva, kombia. Okay? Pronunciation again we'll see on Monday. Now time is not there. Morning I finished, but for you we'll see on Monday. Okay. So here these pronunciation you will note down on Monday. But after these special words, when you come across, if you find out the blank after these special words, then immediately you can write de, or if vowel is the d apostrophe. That's it. That is what we discussed. And of course in negation sentence, if the same statement with the quantity item, if the statement is in negation, then we have to write de or d apostrophe. Even if it is plural, the noun part, it doesn't matter. We have to go ahead with the de or d apostrophe. That is what partitive articles concept we discussed. Then, je voudrais dash coffee. I would like to have some coffee. Here, based on the gender of the noun, I told to answer with these. Du, dala, dial apostrophe and de. Yeah. What you will answer for cafe? Cafe is masculine singular. Du. Cafe. Yeah, everyone should note down the answer. Now, again, I'm not going to discuss answers. Du. And beer is what? Femina.
Dala.
Dala. Vitrebia. Dala. D is space L. Dala. Oh, I told it is water. Femina. Exception. Yeah. Femina singular.
D apostrophe.
It's feminine singular, but starting with what? Vowel. So the L apostrophe. Starting with vowel femina, the L apostrophe. You can write here FS comma V under EAU. It is femina singular starting with Arja, money.
Masculine singular.
Masculine singular, but it's starting with vowel. So again, the L apostrophe only. Du, dala, the L apostrophe, last two what? They, right? DES.
Plural, they.
We. Both are plural only, legume and chocola ending with. But legume is femina plural, chocola is masculine plural.
Yes.
We. Make a note there. So it is DES. They. Because both are plural. Next one. Here all these blanks what? Because it is in negation, all the quantity items, but it is in negation. This is what I am telling. If the quantity items are there and the statement is in negation, then I have taken here prandra verb only completely with all subjects. Prandra verb, manje verb. So only maybe these two verbs will be possible with the quantity items, right? So jana prapa, I don't take some coffee. So the meaning is same, but here it is in negation and the same with the quantity items. Now you have to write de. If it is in positive, we have to follow the genders du, dala, dial apostrophe, de. But if it is in negation and if it follows with the special words like bukku, ampa, so on, then de or d apostrophe. So here where d apostrophe will come, tell me. All are de only. Where only d apostrophe will come?
EAU and Argent.
Third one, fourth.
Third and fourth one. Maybe third and fourth. Yeah. O and Arja. D apostrophe EAU, D apostrophe Arja. Other all DE only. The cafe, the beer, the legume, the chocolate. This is what I am telling. If noun ends with S also, plural, it's not a problem. We have to write DE only, no DES. Negation you have to follow with DE only. DE. Da legume, da chocolat. And now here all answers after Bukku, Ampa, everywhere you have tried DE only. Only one place with D apostrophe. Where it is?
Second one.
Anglais, second one.
Maybe Anglais. It is Anglais. Second one, just say Ampa Donglais. Because Anglais is starting with vowel, you have tried D apostrophe. Donglais. I know a little of English. I know a lot of French. There is too much of pollution at Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah. And J'ai tant du travail. Da travail. Means what? I am having so much of work. Hyderabad appelé dash circulation. Hyderabad has more traffic. More of traffic. We da circulation. Combia da frère. Anyway, he combia with combia da frère. You know de when follows we. Frère is a noun right here.
Yeah.
So when noun is there, we follow de. I told with combia. So as of that also you can understand. Combia da frère avevu. Combia da stilo avevu. All DE only. It may be plural, but still you have to follow with DE only. That's it. In negation or with these special words. We got it, all of you?
Yeah, oui, madam.
Yeah, d'accord. So any doubt in the before answers or anything?
No.
Yeah. Others, boys? We, I hope it is clear, boys, all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
After
Yes.
listening exam, why ma? From 26 to 22 it came, ma? Wait, strength is less. 26 is there when I saw we. Maybe for listening exam came and left away. We complete it's important, na? Class is important. We awake article partitive. So this exercise, no negation part is there, nothing here. They are regular genders, only a, that is already you know it is exception, femina. Other all things they are regular genders only. Follow it and write the answers with the du, dala, dial apostrophe de. We partitive articles. Yeah, and this exercise completely roughly the answers, and this also roughly complete the answers. Nowhere negation sentence. All are with normal genders only. Only cafe, you know cafe already, and o also you know already. EAU. We. So O is also femina singulier. That's it. No exception. Other words. All are regular only. So try to answer them. We. These both exercises try to answer with du, dala, dial apostrophe de. Then one combined exercise definite and partitive. It's a challenging exercise. But if you complete these by Monday, then I will discuss that exercise in class. Of course, I will make you to work out for 10 to 15 minutes. After you work out, then we will discuss the answer. Yeah. Okay, ma. Then come to your civilization part, ma, please. So the people can stay for 2 minutes. It's a very small topic. Yes, ma. Please come out. Who is there? Seshirupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Please complete by Monday. Don't postpone any of the partitive articles and imperative, please. Okay? There are so many things still to do. Pose de question is there. Partitive we have to continue still. There are exercises. So many parts are there. We still Sevo de is there. One more topic is there. Grammar topic we have to discuss. Don't miss out the class and don't do pending, because I think 9th lesson still we have to do, and negation also we have to continue. Still more exercises. Yeah. Pose de question and preposition pronunciation and your pronominal verbs pronunciation also will be done on Monday only. Yeah. La Petite Déjeuner de français. Very good lesson. You have to underline some few points here. So please stay back for 3 minutes. Yeah. Yes, ma. Once read out. La Petite Déjeuner de français.
Le petit déjeuner de français, it is nothing but the breakfast, it is about the French breakfast. The lesson deals with the what breakfast they will do and what they will have. Le matin, le français, en general, ne mange pas beaucoup. A lot of the French people, they'll not take much in the breakfast. They will take
everyone underline. Na mange pas beaucoup. Oui, le français na mange pas beaucoup. Indirectly they give in positive to confuse you in exam. You have to take care. If you know this lesson, then you will understand. If they give that they eat lot, then you have to tell we or no.
No.
No, d'accord. That is what confusedly they want to give you. Because here they give directly in negation. Na mange pas. They confuse and give you in positive in exam. So take care of it. So na mange pas beaucoup. Remember that they don't eat a lot in the mornings, the breakfast. Yeah. Next one. Il ne prend pas toujours.
Ils ne prennent pas toujours le petit déjeuner family. They will not take the break. Most of the people not take the breakfast with the family.
Always don't take the breakfast with family. D'accord, très bien.
Il boit du taf, vidu te et manger the thatin avec du beurre et de la confiture. It is nothing but they drink either coffee or tea and they will eat the thatin. It is nothing but the toast with butter and jam.
Yes, very good. We confiture, jam, très bien.
Confiture means jam. Yes.
This all vocabulary how to know. In partitive articles also it will be useful now. What you are going to work out with. Very good vocabulary all this way.
Book of the Français Pran. Ma'am, this is Selju.
Book Selma.
Selma. Book of the Français Pran. Selma. Akaf. Akafe. Ate. Viria. Duto. They may take coffee or tea or nothing at all.
Or nothing at all. Nothing at all means they don't take anything. Either coffee or tea. They prefer maximum coffee there. They are like food lovers, like coffee lovers there. Yeah.
L'enfant
wow.
du chocolat, il mange de tartines et
quelquefois de céréales.
Yes, the children will have a chocolate shake and they'll eat the toast and sometimes they have the cereals.
Yeah, d'accord, très bien.
Le weekend, les Français au plat de temps. At the weekend, the French people have more time and so ils achètent soit des croissants, ils mangent croissants, ils mangent à yard à free. That means they'll have more time, so they'll buy some croissant. Like the croissant is nothing but a French crescent-shaped roll. It is made up of sweet yeast dog. That is the maximum they'll take in the weekends. That and also they will have,
it will be right.
Yes.
Croissant. Yes. It's related to bread item only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
One of the bread item it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And also they will have some yogurt and fruits.
D'accord, très bien. So you and yourself, this is very good question for all commonly. You, a keller who prenela patidejane, at what time we take our breakfast here?
9 to 10.
No.
Generally it should be in between 7 to 9 only. But our people here, it depends on individually. We, as I told already, in Jandis also they'll take and they'll carry on. Even in lunchtime they take breakfast. We no one time here. But regular time, what is regular time of tiffin? We here? 7 to 9. 7 to 9 only it should be there. We, and that is what the time. But one more question is, kaska vu pranela mata? What do you take the morning then? Coffee or common for all, of course, coffee or tea or milk. Then our tiffins are very huge list, right? It's not one or two, like them like a toast bread or something jam, right? Like we even they don't take anything at all also sometimes. But here, not like idli, dosa, so many things will be there. We can't list out that many. And some people, of course, like tiffin means like meals only they'll take like 2-3 tiffins at time. So they'll skip out the meals also, of course, like now we at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock also we take the tiffins like with no one time following here. And no, like they don't eat a lot here. But our people here, tiffin also will go ahead like meals only. Very few people who will follow very nicely, the physics and all very sincerely, genuinely they will follow. But so many people, once we go to the hotel there, maybe if you are at home, we will follow. But once if you go to hotel, what we do? First we order tea and then dosa, and then something will come again after that. So it depends there anyway here individually. Anyway in our country, it completely depends there. Because I think so many of our people are food lovers here. We have to answer. Yeah, d'accord. We are so merci beaucoup all of you. So those who are there, seminar can stay back once, and the people who are there can stay back. And I think one more is Ushna. I asked you to stay back. Yeah, other people, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. We meet on. All Nandi. Who are the seminar people here?
It's me, ma'am.
Dushyant.
Dushyant, and one more is Dilip. Yashwant. From girls, someone is there?
Ma'am, Prashanti.
Prashanti, yes. Others who are there? All completed?
Merci, madam.
Yes, fine.
Au revoir, madam.
Merci, au revoir.
Merci, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yes. Ushna, who is there here? Ushna Sania, there here? Should unmute Ushna Sania. Hey, Ushna, you have to unmute. I'm not able to hear. You're in mute. Okay, the seminar people, yes. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, should I go first?
Yeah, yes.
Je m'appelle Eshwan. Mon sujet est ma famille. Il y a 4 personnes dans la maison. Dans ma maison, de moi. Mon père est employé de BSNL. Mon mère est femme au foyer. Ma sœur fait des études d'ingénieur. Mes parents aiment le chant traditionnel et le genre padalu. Nous regardons la télévision ensemble tous les jours. Mes parents regardent des séries, mais je ne regarde pas. Je ne regarde pas. Mon père joue au badminton avec moi et ma sœur. Ma sœur, ma famille est ma force et ma faiblesse.
D'accord.
Il me soutient. Mes parents viennent du village de Nalgonda. Ils sont de famille pauvre. Ils travaillent pour nous. Mon sujet, wait. J'ai terminé mon diplôme cette année. J'étudie pour d'autres examens. Je ne veux pas qu'il s'importe pour moi. Je remercie mes parents. Ils passent toujours le thème libre avec nous. J'aime ma famille. Ma'am.
Sure, Setu?
Can I go
Ma'am?
next?
Setu? Stephanie?
Yes, ma'am.
Very hardly. So hardly recall also.
It was hard, ma'am. I mean, I was even preparing for my Japanese exam, so it's hard to remember both the vocabulary, both Japanese.
What you prepared? One more?
I have my exam.
Japanese, okay. You are learning Japanese?
December
5th, okay. Where you are learning Japanese then?
I'm learning it by myself, ma'am.
Learning for yourself, okay. What?
By myself, ma'am.
Where you are writing the exams then?
Yeah. The exam is in Bangalore. I'll be going there on December 5th.
Okay, fine, very good. Okay, which level?
N4, ma'am.
N4 means what? Which level it is? Second it is N4. Okay. Okay, it comes from down number.
Yeah.
Okay, N5 first, N4 second.
Yes, ma'am.
N3?
N3 is pro intermediate level.
Okay. How many will be there like that? Till N1 will be there?
N1 also will be there, ma'am. That is just like C1 in French, I guess.
Okay. That's okay. Right. Okay. This is like junior 2, which you are doing now.
Yeah.
Junior level 2.
But this also covers all the basics. It's more than basics actually. You can do the normal conversations and all of that.
Okay.
You can even talk and all of it.
D'accord, but très bien. But how you are managing? Again, still you are learning from your side and all. Any app or any whatever?
No, ma'am. I have the books. I'm just using the dictionary and using YouTube and all of that.
Wow, très bien. Then very good. Fine. We then maybe like institutes like French only. We
ma'am.
Institutes like French, Alliance Francis, like that Japanese. There also.
Yeah. JLPT.
Okay, d'accord, très bien. We the certification. How you will be getting?
I'll.
Oh, not available.
Yeah. Just.
Yes, fine. Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. We.
Bonsoir madame, bonsoir à vous tous. Je m'appelle Satram Prashant Desai.
D'accord.
Aujourd'hui, je vais raconter un séminaire sur ma famille. Notre une grande famille. Il y a 5 membres dans notre famille. Ils sont moi, ma soeur, ma mère, mon père et mon grand-père. Notre nom de famille est Satram. Nous sommes indiens.
Oui, d'accord.
Le nôtre est une famille hindoue. Nous habitons à Hyderabad. Nous parlons Odia et Telugu à la maison. Le nôtre est une belle famille. Moi, je m'appelle Satram Prashant Desai, je suis 18 ans. Ma anniversaire est le 7 septembre 2003. Je suis un étudiant d'ingénierie informatique au Shreyas College Uppal. Ma hobby sont la danse, le chant. Je suis grande avec 2 choix courses. Ma sœur, elle s'appelle Satram Dayamai Sai, elle a 22 ans. Elle fait ses études de troisième cycle en Allemagne. Elle a une MS étudiant biotechnologie à la Université Martin Luther King. Elle est belle, elle est blonde et petite. Elle a les cheveux très longs. Ses hobbies sont descendre et dormir. Ma mère, elle s'appelle Satram Sunita. Elle a 44 ans. Elle est professeure de géographie à la Johnson Grammar School. Son hobby est le dessin. Elle a peinture. C'est une très bonne artiste. Elle est petite et grosse avec des cheveux bouclés. Mon père, elle s'appelle Satram Ajay Kumar. Elle a 54 ans. Elle est gestionnaire dans le ciment. Elle est employée privée. Elle est très sympathique. Elle a grande nose avec la tête chaude. Mon grand-père, elle s'appelle Satram Rachandero. Elle est une employée du gouvernement à la retraite. Elle a 78 ans. Son hobby d'écouter de musique, elle le chante. Elle est gentille, elle est amicale avec tout le monde. élection très bonne nature aidant. J'ai ma famille parce que nous sommes fiers ensemble, courage, gentil. Merci.
D'accord. Très bien. Very good. Excellent. Avi. Whatever you prepared very well, Shanti. Up to your good. Très bien. Merci beaucoup. Chance.
Hello, ma'am.
Oui.
Can I go now?
Yes. Who is it? Dilip?
It's Dushyant, ma'am.
Dushyant, oui.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, you can follow.
Je suis Dushyant Baweja. Je suis
One
Indian.
second. Wait. Ushna Sania. Ushna Sania, are you there? Can you unmute? I want to tell one word about the city and but not at all unmuting me. From long time I am trying. It's in mute only. Not at least listening me also. I'm not at all getting there. Yeah, you can continue, Vidushan.
Je suis Indian.
No.
Le nom de mon pays est l'Inde. Elle est la plus grande démocratie du monde. Elle est une ancienne colonie des Netherlands, britanniques, portugais et français. Nous célébrons notre fête de l'indépendance le 15 août 1947. L'Inde est un pays de 28 États et 8 territoires de l'Union. La capitale de l'Inde est New Delhi. Notre drapeau est 3 couleurs. Le blanc symbolise la paix et la vérité. La couleur saffron indique la force et le courage du pays. La couleur verte symbolise la fertilité et la croissance. La chakra du dharma représente la roue de la loi. Elle est la deuxième pays la plus peuplée du monde après la Chine et la septième plus grande pays du monde. Elle a 23 langues officielles. L'animal national de l'Inde est le tigre. L'oiseau national est le paon. Et le sport national est le hockey. Elle est membre à part entière des Nations Unies et membre non permanent du Council de sécurité des Nations Unies. Les principales religions en Inde sont l'hindouisme, l'islam, le christianisme, le sikhisme, le bouddhisme, le jainisme et le judaïsme. Nous sommes un pays très diversifié et nous célébrons la unité dans la diversité. Jai Hind.
D'accord, Dushyant. Oui. Well read, Dushyant. Très bien. But maybe some pauses there. That's it. We.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
very well tried. Good information you collected. We.
Yes, ma'am.
We. The thing is, you want to speak whatever you have done very genuinely. We. Our preparation was very fine. We. Little more flow. It should be there.
Okay,
like a very slowly, it is there like a little bit gap is coming in between words there. We
okay, ma'am.
little more the flow is good, then it was very good. It will be very well fine still more. We
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
très
ma'am.
bien, but your content is very good, nicely collected. We
Merci,
très
madam.
bien. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, madam.
Yeah, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bonne chance. We. Yes, next please.
Ma'am, this is Dilip.
Dilip, yes.
Salutations over three, madam. Merci de au revoir donner cette opportunité. Moi, Dilip Jairam, et Jesus, un responsible this resources humanity, dance uni, dance uni society, the injury a Hyderabad, at one temp leverage to George, admired pour apandre un novel language maintained JPAX parle 6 language at one objective at the sixth languages Parsi, Cunons, Avos and Monet in the dissect language at également intéressé par une nouvelle amete it relents the novex and Androtis Jesus un formatter languages pour elles employs decent the appels decent Siku Jesus. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Say though. You can try to. Any more sentences you forget?
I think I was in 10th, ma'am. Maybe, I don't know, ma'am. Is it any mistakes, ma'am?
You're at office only, no? Still?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in office only still. For this class only, I will stay here only, ma'am.
Where? Up to when?
7 o'clock.
Okay, fine, wait. D'accord, très bien then. But very less, you would have tried till more sentences. Till whatever you prepared, that was very fine. Some more sentences, if you have added, it would be very better. The flow was very good. Vocabulary fine. Structure of sentence is good. No grammar mistakes. Pronunciation also not too bad. It's fine. More sentences if you had had, then little more it will be coming. Because for 3 minutes we told, not less than 3 minutes. It's coming near to 2 minutes. That's it. Not even 2.5 it is. We should try well for next time, for the next levels. We have to collect more information still.
Sure, merci.
Très bien, merci. Au revoir, bonne chance. Yes, others who are there. I think Maulisha is there in my name here, in my list. Maulisha is not there here. Maulisha not there. And one more, Sweta also not there here. These two persons are missed out. Lasya Priya came. What happened? Lasya is there here. She told she has to tell again, but not stayed back. D'accord, then others. So merci beaucoup. Ushna is not responding. If okay, then you can contact me separately. Yes, ma. So all of you, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. You can leave.